Wow! Today at Adventure Bake Lab, we're going to make a volcano. What color do you want?
Blue.
Okay, let's add blue Play-Doh.
We'll do it.
What comes out of a volcano?
Bubble.
Now we made our blue volcano. We need to put on our goggles and gloves.
Blue's my favorite.
Now we need to add some baking soda. We'll add soap to make it foamy. Should we add some food coloring?
Blue.
Are you ready? What do you think will happen?
Make it messier.
You think it'll make a mess there? Let's find out. Now we're gonna add vinegar. Are you excited?
It'll make a big mess.
Should we do a countdown?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Wow.
Wow!
Oh no, fish it.
The vinegar reacted with the baking soda and formed CO2 that pushed the water out. But because they had soap, it became foamy, like a volcano. A bigger one?
Okay.
Was this cool?
Yeah.
What did you learn today? That acids react with bases?
Yeah. I'll do this for you. Okay, here. Here. It's a dinosaur.
Look at this volcano we made. Baking soda,
Baking soda?
soap.
Soap.
This will make it foamy.
Foamy.
3, 2, 1. Wow!
Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
You think this is cool?
Yeah.
This was another episode from Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.